Yes, I'm right here.
Where?
Right here. I got glasses on.
All right. Okay. You're here on a 2019 case for domestic battery, and I believe it's a show cause. Is her probation officer here? Miss Donovan, you were here there. Okay. How does she want to proceed, Mr. Patterson?
Judge, this is another case where I have never spoke to her about her show cause hearing, so that I am not prepared to proceed. I'm asking for continuance.
Ms. Bartzneck, you were here June 8th, and Judge Rickey appointed Darren Patterson. Why didn't you contact him?
Darren Patterson, I called twice. What do you mean? I've already tried contacting him, and the girl who's supposed to call told me that he would get in contact with me. That's how I got this number for Zoom meetings.
We did send out the Zoom link, Judge. That is correct.
Okay.
As far as I know, he's court appointed, and so I don't pay for him. So unless I was paying to speak to him, I don't get to pay to speak to him.
Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a tense courtroom showdown that starts off calm, but quickly spirals into chaos. The defendant in this 2019 domestic battery case is already on probation, but she's making it extremely difficult for her attorney and the court to help her. From miscommunications to confusing Zoom meetings, you'll see how quickly misunderstandings or outright defiance can escalate. Pay attention, because this case is packed with drama, interrupted proceedings, courtroom rules being flouted, and a judge who is trying to maintain control amid utter chaos. Buckle up, because this is a masterclass in how not to handle probation.
The taxpayers pay him.
Well, all I know is that I don't pay to speak to him ahead of time. So whatever we're talking about right now, I'm kind of confused as well.
Well, I'm hopefully confused about what you're saying. It's making no sense to me.
I guess so.
Okay, I'm going to continue this for 2 weeks.
And why are we continuing it? How long is
Because
this
you haven't talked to your attorney, and if you don't want it continued, I'll just have the hearing right now, and you won't have the benefit of your attorney representing you.
Huh.
Yeah. Probation is a privilege. You don't have to have probation. We can revoke it right now, and you can go serve your sentence if you like.
I mean, that's fine.
Okay, it's fine that you're revoked.
No, I think you're trying to switch my words around on me, and that's not acceptable, right? No, I've already told you what I wanted to do. You're switching my words around. I'm not okay with this.
Judge, if the court is setting it over 2 weeks, I can fit her in for an appointment before that time.
Has she seen you, Miss Donovan, since she was ordered to by Judge Rickey on June 8th?
Your Honor, she was reported by phone since she was released from jail.
Have you asked her to come in any more than that?
I have not, Your Honor, because she does reside in Newton.
Okay.
Right here, we start seeing the first major cracks. The defendant claims she hasn't had a chance to speak with her court-appointed attorney, citing confusion over who contacts whom and what the Zoom meetings entail. But here's the key takeaway. Court-appointed attorneys are already paid for. There's no excuse for miscommunication. Probation isn't a right, it's a privilege. When someone disregards these instructions, it slows the case and undermines their own defense. The judge's patience is already thinning, and every hesitation or interruption pushes her closer to losing that second chance entirely.
All right. This is not up for discussion. This is a 2019 CR case, criminal case.
You know what I mean?
Okay, ma'am. You're being disrespectful to the court who is going to decide your fate.
Go ahead. Do what you feel you need to do.
Please calm down.
No, because I think she... And I am. So you be quiet.
Just calm down.
Not serious enough for me to take judgment calls for no reason.
How old are you?
I'm 32, actually. And you?
And who is that person you're talking to?
It is...
Things start to get really tense here. Notice how the defendant tries to challenge the judge's authority, switching words and arguing over minor points. In court, tone, respect, and timing matter as much as the law itself. Here, The judge is calm but firm, reminding her that probation isn't a free pass. It's an opportunity that can vanish instantly. Every interruption, every sarcastic remark isn't just annoying. It demonstrates exactly why she's before the court. The lesson? In a courtroom, compliance is your strongest weapon, especially when the stakes include potential jail time.
Miss Bartnock, here. I'm going to order that you be here in the courthouse in 2 weeks.
Oh, now I gotta make it
today.
you.
2
Are you
weeks.
gonna pay for my ride? I don't have transportation.
2 weeks from today, you must be in the Butler County Courthouse, 201 West Pine, El Dorado.
Okay, well, I'm sure somebody will be calling on my behalf then. That's fine. I don't know.
No,
if
you will
can
be
make it.
there, or I will send the sheriff out to get you.
Right, so I'm gonna be sitting in jail for another week on account of sitting around waiting to talk to you? I don't think so. I think y'all are dirty. I'm not gonna go sit in a freaking courtroom or in a jail system just so I can speak to you for another freaking week when it could already be settled right now.
All right.
So settle it right now. I'm not gonna deal with this.
Okay.
I think this is childish in all kinds of fucking ways.
Watch closely here as the defendant turns her frustration on her boyfriend, the very person who may be advocating for her behind the scenes. It's ironic. While she lashes out, the judge is quietly observing her behavior, measuring whether she's capable of making better decisions. Probation exists to show growth, responsibility, and respect. Treating the person supporting you poorly only reinforces the concerns that brought you to court in the first place. This isn't just courtroom drama. It's real consequences reflecting real choices.
What's your mental health diagnosis, Miss Bartnock?
My mental health diagnosis is bitch made, and I'm a fucking ADHD bitch. And I'm not gonna sit here and let some other people who are insensitive make insensitive choices about my fucking life. As if you fucking get to do everything you want to do. You got a car? You got a house? You gotta fucking pay your bills? You want to come at me like I can do all that? Please, then you better start giving me some fucking money for all this bullshit.
Are you taking the medication?
Injustice and unjustifiable.
Miss Bartnock, are you taking the medication prescribed to you?
No, because they keep putting me on fucking Down syndrome medication like I'm retarded. And
Here's a critical moment. The judge has ordered her back in 2 weeks, yet she continues to argue, interrupt, and make excuses. Silence could literally save her freedom. In legal situations, knowing when to speak and when to stay quiet is a survival tactic. Every word uttered incorrectly can undo your defense and invite contempt charges. This is a perfect example of how self-restraint isn't weakness. It's strategic intelligence in a courtroom environment. The judge's warnings are crystal clear. Comply or risk immediate consequences.
Order that you be in the Butler County Courthouse this afternoon.
oh, you gonna pay for my ride?
She doesn't have transportation.
I don't have transportation.
Okay.
She just got her life in order.
Yeah, my life
Things
is
are
in
going good. She's
order.
gonna make a good decision.
Right, until I talk to you and you want to say I didn't talk to my lawyer. That's bullcrap.
I'm issuing a bench warrant, no bond hold.
She needs counsel. She needs to speak to her attorney. Her attorney needs to be speaking for her.
Yeah, why didn't
She's
anybody
fine
call
by her
me?
attorney.
Bench warrant,
Ooh, I got a warrant all of a sudden.
probation is revoked.
Oh my God!
Bam! Just like that, a bench warrant is issued. This is a one-way ticket to jail if she doesn't follow orders, and it's completely avoidable. Keep in mind, the court isn't acting out of malice. They're responding to repeated non-compliance and blatant disrespect for the rules. Probation violations, failure to meet your attorney, ignoring orders, all these add up. The system provides warnings and opportunities, but push too far and the consequences escalate fast. Here, the courtroom drama reaches its peak. The defendant's freedom is literally in the hands of her own behavior.
To you, I'm ordering you, Chelsea,
Yes.
to be back here at the Butler County Courthouse in El Dorado 2 weeks from today at 9 a.m.
Okay. I mean, that depends on transportation right now. And I've been told that this is prison for me, so I'm not for sure as far as if I'm supposed to even be leaving.
Okay.
So unless someone else notifies me that it's wrong for me to leave, I'm staying here.
Notice the argument over transportation here. It may sound minor, but this is actually a recurring theme in legal drama. Defendants attempting to shift responsibility onto the system rather than take accountability. Whether it's fines, court appearances, or rides to the courthouse, the judge is clear. Responsibility lies with you. And failure to act responsibly can result in jail, bench warrants, and more complications. This is where the courtroom reality bites hard. There's no negotiation, and excuses won't save you from the consequences of repeated defiance.
If you are not here, I can issue and will issue a warrant for your arrest, and I will send a police officer to provide you transportation to Butler County.
I just don't see why I need to go there when we can concur everything. Sam, do you have a specific reason why I need to be in El Dorado?
That is my order.
It just doesn't seem legit. It doesn't seem like a promising reason for me to be there. When I have everything, I lost a job because you all wanted to put a warrant on out for arrest on me. I can't even pay my fines because you won't give me a chance to. And now you want me to go to Butler? That just doesn't seem promising. I mean, all of this seems like a lie, like just some reason to get me caught up in something. It's just not, I'm sorry, it's just not, I do not see it happening. I don't have a ride. Unless you can find one, and I'm not sitting in jail for a week.
So, what's the takeaway? Today's hearing was a textbook example of how probation can be jeopardized by defiance, poor communication, and disrespect for authority. The judge's patience was tested, instructions were ignored, and ultimately a bench warrant was issued. A stark reminder that probation is a privilege, not a guarantee. For viewers, remember this. Compliance, communication, and respect can literally be the difference between freedom and jail. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.